Okay. Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about hydrocarbons. So already IUPAC, functional groups and isomerism, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism are completed in previous classes. Next topic, important topic, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. So actually best examples of hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkynes and aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. So first topic, alkanes. Topic is alkanes. Alkanes. First topic, alkanes. 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 And best example of alkanes. Best example of alkanes. Alkanes. Okay. So alkanes. And best example of alkanes. Best example of alkanes. For example, methane. Methane formula CH4. CH4, one of the alkane. So this is methane. Next, ethane. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. Same, one of the alkane. One of the alkane. Next, propane. Propane formula CH3 CH2 bond CH3. So this is propane. This is propane. So these are different types of alkanes. So best example of alkanes, methane, 1 carbon atom methane, 2 carbon atoms ethane, single bond ethane, 3 carbon atoms propane, single bond propane. So best example of alkanes, methane, ethane, propane, etc. Okay. Next, studying preparation methods. Preparation methods of alkanes. Studying preparation methods of alkanes. Preparation methods of alkanes. Preparation methods of alkanes. Okay, preparation methods of alkanes. And first method is Wood reaction. Wood reaction. One of the most important name Wood reaction. Scientist named Wood reaction. One of the most important reaction. First of all, alkyl halide, any alkyl halide, for example, methyl chloride, formula CH3 bond Cl. CH3 bond Cl. So it is one of the alkyl halide or methyl chloride. Compound name is methyl chloride. Methyl chloride, formula CH3 Cl. Plus 2 moles of sodium metal. 2 moles of sodium metal Na. Plus second mole methyl chloride. Second mole methyl chloride. Same formula CH3 bond Cl. CH3 bond Cl. So compound name is methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. So 2 moles of methyl chloride. CH3Cl. CH3Cl react with 2 moles of sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. Okay, dry ether. Generally, Wood reagent is sodium by dry ether. Wood reagent is sodium metal by dry ether. Okay, sodium metal, next dry ether. So 2 moles of methyl chloride, CH3Cl react with 2 moles of sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. So very simple, 2 moles of sodium next to 2 chlorine atoms. 2 chlorine atoms. So byproduct is 2 NaCl. 2 moles of NaCl. 2 moles of sodium chloride. 2 moles of sodium chloride. Remaining answer CH3 bond CH3. CH3 bond CH3. Compound name is ethane, one of the alkane. One of the alkane. So actually heading preparation methods of alkanes. Okay, alkane. Best example of alkane ethane. So very important name of reaction, that is Wood reaction. And Wood reagent is sodium by dry ether. Sodium by dry ether. For example, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. General ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. So compound name is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride formula CH3 CH2 Cl. One of the alkyl halide. Plus 2 moles of sodium metal. Same 2 Na. 2 moles of sodium metal. Plus second mole ethyl chloride. Second mole ethyl chloride. Formula same CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. And this is also ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Formula CH3 CH2 Cl. Same in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. So because Wood reagent is sodium bitriether. Sodium bitriether. So 2 moles of sodium and 2 chlorine atom. So removal of 2 NaCl. Removal of 2 NaCl. So byproduct is 2 moles of sodium chloride NaCl. And remaining answer CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. So remaining answer is CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. CH3 compound name is butane, one of the alkane. So this is Wood reaction. Okay, so actual heading preparation methods of alkanes, and first method is Wood reaction. So in Wood reaction 2 moles of alkyl halide react with 2 moles of sodium metal. For example, 2 moles of methyl chloride react with 2 sodium metal and the brines are brighter. So byproduct is NaCl. Remaining answer CH3 bond CH3, compound name is ethane. Same 2 moles of methyl chloride CH3CH2 Cl, same CH3CH2 Cl plus 2 moles of sodium metal. So byproduct is NaCl. Remaining answer CH3CH2 CH3, compound name is butane, one of the alkane. So this is Wood reaction and first preparation method of alkanes. Okay, and second preparation method. So first preparation method, that is Wood reaction, okay, and second preparation method, Nemours reaction, that is Sabatier-Sembrance reaction. Sabatier-Sembrance reaction, one of the Nemours reaction, Sabatier-Sembrance reaction. So first one Wood reaction, second one Sabatier-Sembrance reaction, science name, okay. First of all, very simple. Alkane, for example, ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2, CH2 double bond CH2, one of the alkane, that is ethylene, one of the alkane, ethylene CH2 double bond CH2, and ethylene react with hydrogen molecule in the presence of nickel catalyst. So Wood reagent sodium bitriether. Same Sabatier-Sembrance reagent hydrogen by nickel catalyst. So it is one of the addition reaction. So very simple. CH2 addition of one hydrogen atom. So CH3. Single bond CH2 addition of one hydrogen atom. CH3. So very simple. CH2 plus one hydrogen. CH3 single bond CH2 plus one hydrogen. So this is our compound ethane. One of the alkane. So first preparation method is Wood reaction and second one Sabatier-Sembrance reaction. For example, alkane, for example, ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2 and ethylene react with hydrogen molecule in the presence of nickel catalyst. Okay, so CH2 plus one hydrogen atom CH3, next is CH2 one hydrogen atom CH3, compound name is ethane, one of the alkane. That is second preparation method of alkane Sabatier-Sembrance reaction. And next third one, very important reaction. Reduction of alkyl halides. Reduction of alkyl halides. So generally reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms or removal of oxygen atoms. For example, any alkyl halide, for example methyl chloride, formula CH3Cl, one of the alkyl halide. So compound name is methyl chloride. Formula CH3Cl, one of the alkyl halide. In the presence of reducing agent, that is zinc plus hydrochloric acid HCl or zinc plus acetic acid CH3C double bond OH, etc. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid or zinc plus acetic acid. So reducing agent is zinc plus hydrochloric acid and reducing agent function is addition of hydrogen atoms. Very simple. Addition of 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, 2 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer CH3 plus second hydrogen atom. CH3 plus 1 hydrogen atom CH4. So compound name is methane, one of the alkane. So the third preparation method is reduction of alkyl halides. Any alkyl halide, for example methyl chloride, one of the alkyl halides CH3 bond Cl. In the presence of reducing agent, zinc plus HCl or zinc plus acetic acid, CH3C double bond OH. And reducing agent function is addition of hydrogen atoms, for example 2 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, so byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer CH3 and second hydrogen atom CH4, compound name is methane. For example, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, same one of the alkyl halide, that is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So alkyl halide, best example of alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl. Same in the presence of reducing agent, that is zinc plus hydrochloric acid, HCl, or zinc plus acetic acid, CH3 double bond with acid, zinc plus hydrochloric acid. So very simple addition of two hydrogen atoms, okay. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. So remaining answer CH3, CH2 plus second hydrogen atom. So CH3 bond CH3. So compound name is ethane, one of the alkane. CH3 bond CH3, CH3 bond CH3, CH3 bond CH3, one of the alkane. So this is third method, that is reduction of alkyl halides. Okay. So first method is Wurtz reaction, second one Sabatier-Sentryns reaction, and third one reduction of alkyl halides. Next one, fourth method. Fourth preparation method of alkanes. Next method, fourth one, decarboxylation. Okay, decarboxylation. That means in chemistry language, D means removal. Removal of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide or sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Removal of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide or sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Okay. So generally decarboxylating agent, that is soda lime. Decarboxylating agent is soda lime. Decarboxylating agent is soda lime. So generally soda lime formula, the mixture of or the combination of sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide is called soda lime. It is one of the decarboxylating agent. So decarboxylating agent is soda lime, and soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. And decarboxylation means removal of carbon atom in the form of carbon dioxide or sodium carbonate. Okay, right. First of all, acetic acid, one of the carboxylic acid, CH3, C double bond OH. So compound name is acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid formula CH3, C double bond OH. In the presence of soda lime. So generally soda lime formula NaOH and CaO, sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, CaO. So this is CaO, calcium oxide, or soda lime. So generally soda lime formula NaOH plus CaO, calcium oxide. And soda lime function is very simple, decarboxylation. D means removal of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide, CO2. So byproduct is CO2, carbon dioxide. Remaining answer CH3 plus 1 hydrogen atom CH4, and compound name is methane, one of the alkane. Actually heading preparation methods of alkanes. Okay, methane is a alkane, CH4. For example, propanoic acid. So one of the carboxylic acid, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, C double bond OH, propanoic acid. Same soda lime formula NaOH and CaO, calcium oxide, and it is also called soda lime, propanoic acid, the presence of soda lime. Same soda lime function, decarboxylation, that means removal of carbon dioxide, CO2. So byproduct is CO2, carbon dioxide. Remaining answer CH3, CH2 plus 1 hydrogen atom. So CH3 bond CH3, one of the alkane, that is ethane. That is ethane. CH3 bond CH3. CH3 CH2 plus one hydrogen atoms. CH3 bond CH3. For example, sodium estate. Sodium estate formula CH3 C double bond O ONA. ONA. Compound name is sodium. Compound name is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate formula CH3 C double bond O ONA. In the presence of soda lime formula NaOH, NaOH and CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Very simple, very simple. Sodium salt. So, okay. So Na2 CO3. Na2CO3. So byproduct is sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate. Remaining answer CH3 plus one hydrogen atom. CH4, one of the alkane, that is methane. Formula CH4. So very important method, and previous IP question also, that is decarboxylation. So generally decarboxylation means removal of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide and sodium carbonate, and decarboxylating agent is soda lime formula NaOH and CaO. So first of all acetic acid, NaOH and CaO. So removal of carbon dioxide CO2, CH3 plus one hydrogen atom CH4. Same CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. Soda lime, removal of carbon dioxide, so ethane. Next ethane. So this is fourth method for the preparation of alkanes, that is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Okay. And next one important method, coal-based electrolytic method. Okay, so fifth method, coal-based electrolytic method. Coal-based electrolytic method. Coal-based electrolytic method. Very simple. For example, CH3 C double bond O K. Potassium acetate. Compound name is potassium acetate. Potassium formula K and acetate ion formula CH3 C double bond O. Okay, potassium acetate. But 2 moles of potassium acetate. And addition of water molecule, for example 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. 2 moles of water molecule. So actually water molecule formula H2O. So H2O converted into H plus and OH minus ion. Same 2 moles of water, 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. So very simple answer. For example, 2 moles of methyl group. So CH3 bond CH3. Our compound alkane, that is ethane. CH3 bond CH3 plus 2 moles of CO2, carbon dioxide. 2 moles of CO2 plus 2 moles of potassium, 2 moles of OH minus ion. So 2 moles of KOH, potassium hydroxide plus 2 moles of H plus ion converted into hydrogen gas. So this is coal-based electrolytic method. Very simple. So potassium acetate CH3 C double bond O. Okay. So potassium acetate plus 2 moles of water at 2H plus and 2OH minus ion. Next to 2 methyl group CH3 bond CH3, 2 moles of CO2 carbon dioxide and 2 moles of potassium, 2 moles of OH, 2 moles of KOH and 2H plus ion converted into hydrogen gas. So this is coal-based electrolytic method. So these are preparation methods of alkanes, only 5 methods. So first one is Wood reaction, second one is Sabatier-Sandridge reaction, third one reduction of alkyl halides, fourth one decarboxylation, and fifth one is coal-based electrolysis or coal-based electrolytic method. Okay, so these are preparation methods of alkanes. Next properties, chemical properties of alkanes. Next one, chemical properties of alkanes. Properties of alkanes. Chemical properties of alkanes. Okay. So preparation methods of alkanes close. Next, properties of alkanes. And first property is very simple property, that is halogenation. Okay, halogenation. That means reaction with halogens. For example, methane. Generally, methane formula CH4. Okay, so methane formula CH4, one of the alkane. So actual heading properties of alkanes. Okay, alkane, methane formula CH4. Halogenation. That means reaction with halogens like chlorine, bromine, and iodine. For example, chlorine molecule formula Cl2. In the presence of sunlight, and action of heat, sunlight, H nu, sunlight, ultraviolet light, sunlight. So very simple, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of HCl. Next is CH3 bond Cl. Compound name is methyl chloride, but IUPAC name is chloromethane. One carbon atom meet, single bond in chloromethane, but common name is methyl chloride. Okay. So first of all, methane CH4 plus chlorine molecule Cl2 in the presence of sunlight and action of heat, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine HCl. Remaining answer CH3 bond Cl, chloromethane or methyl chloride. Next, methyl chloride formula CH3 bond Cl. Methyl chloride formula CH3 bond Cl plus second mole chlorine molecule formula Cl2. Same in the presence of sunlight and temperature. Okay. Same, 1 mole of hydrogen. Okay. 1 mole of chlorine. Removal of HCl. So byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer CH2 Cl and addition of 1 chlorine atom. So CH2 Cl2. Okay. CH2 Cl2. And compound name is dichloro. Dichloro, 1 carbon atom meth and single bond in dichloromethane. Actually CH2 Cl2 structure CH2Cl2. Okay, CH2Cl2. 2 chlorine atoms, so dichloro, 1 carbon atom meth, so dichloromethane. First one chloromethane, second one dichloromethane. Next, dichloromethane formula CH2Cl2. Dichloromethane formula CH2Cl2. Okay, CH2Cl2. So this is dichloromethane. Further, dichloromethane react with third mole chlorine molecule same Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. Or ultraviolet light. Very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen same 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer CH2 plus chlorine, CHCl3. Actually compound name is chloroform, common name chloroform, but IUPAC name is trichloromethane. Okay, trichloromethane. Further, trichloromethane or chloroform formula CHCl3, trichloromethane. So CHCl3 plus 4th mole chlorine molecule formula Cl2, same in the presence of sunlight. And action of heat. So same 1 mole of hydrogen, okay, 1 mole of chlorine, so removal of HCl, byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer C, Cl3 plus Cl, so CCl4. Compound name is tetrachloromethane. Chloro, 1 carbon atom meth and ane, tetrachloromethane. Okay, so this is halogenation of alkanes. Very simple. Methane formula CH4, chlorine molecule Cl2, HCl, CH3 bond Cl, methyl chloride or chloromethane. Next, chloromethane formula CH3Cl, second mole chlorine molecule same sunlight, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, byproduct HCl, CH2Cl2, dichloromethane. Further, dichloromethane formula CH2Cl2 plus third mole chlorine molecule same sunlight, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, byproduct HCl, so trichloromethane. Next, chloroform formula CHCl3 plus chlorine molecule Cl2, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, CCl4, tetrachloromethane or carbon tetrachloride. So So IUPAC name, first one IUPAC name chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. So this is halogenation of alkanes. Halogenation of alkanes. Okay. For example, ethane. For example, okay, methane completed. For example, ethane. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. Okay, ethane, one of the alkane. One of the alkane. Same ethane react with chlorine molecule. Chlorine formula Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight and action of heat. Action of heat. So very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, Cl. Remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Compound name is ethyl. Ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride or chloroethane. Chloroethane. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So this is halogenation. Okay. Actual heading: properties of alkanes. First property is halogenation, methane plus chlorine and ethane plus chlorine, etc. Okay. And next is second property. Second property. Okay, first property halogenation, right? Second property nitration. Nitration. That means reaction with nitric acid. Reaction with nitric acid. Generally nitric acid formula HNO3. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Okay. First of all, alkane. Any alkane. For example, ethane. For example, ethane. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. One of the alkane. Nitration, that means ethane or alkanes treated with nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Actually, nitric acid formula HNO3. Nitric acid. So, nitric acid formula HNO3 or OH1NO2. Okay. HNO3. Okay. Nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Nitric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Same nitric acid HNO3. Okay, at 400 to 450 degrees Celsius temperature. 400 to 450 degrees Celsius temperature. 400 to 450 degrees Celsius temperature. Very simple. H plus ion and OH minus ion. Okay, removal of water. Removal of water. So byproduct is H2O. Byproduct is H2O. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, NO2. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NO2. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NO2. So bond NO2 means nitro. Okay, nitro. 2 carbon atoms each and single bond N. So compound name is nitroethane. Nitroethane. So this is nitration of alkanes. First of all, any alkane. For example, ethane, CH3 bond CH3 plus nitric acid formula HNO3. HNO3. H plus ion and OH minus ion removal of water. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, NO2, nitroethane, and temperature is 400 to 450 degrees Celsius temperature. And next one is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis. That means action of heat. Pyrolysis. For example, ethane. Generally, ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. One of the alkane. Pyrolysis, that means action of heat. For example, 450 degrees Celsius temperature. 450 degrees Celsius temperature. So very simple, removal of hydrogen H2. So byproduct is hydrogen molecule H2. Remaining answer CH2, bond formation, double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. One of the alkene, that is ethylene. Ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. So first property halogenation, second one nitration, third one pyrolysis, So first of all, ethane formula CH3 bond CH3 at 450 degrees Celsius temperature, 2 moles of hydrogen. So hydrogen atom, so hydrogen molecule. So remaining answer CH2 double bond CH2. 2 hydrogen atom, that means hydrogen molecule H2. And main product is alkane ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. And next one, oxidation of alkanes. Oxidation of alkanes. Oxidation of alkanes. Very simple. For example, ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. Ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. One of the alkane CH3 bond CH3. That is ethane. Okay. So in the presence of oxidizing agent, that is manganese acetate. Manganese acetate formula CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn capital Mn. Okay, manganese acetate. It is one of the oxidizing agent. Oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms. For example, 3 moles of oxygen molecule, 3 O2 and 2 moles of ethane, 2:3 ratio. First of all, ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. In the presence of oxidizing agent, that is manganese acetate, CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn, manganese acetate. So 3 moles of oxygen molecule. Then ethane directly converted to carboxylic acid. For example, acetic acid, that is 2 moles of CH3 C double bond OH. 2 moles of acetic acid. So CH3 C double bond OH. And byproduct is simple 2 moles of water H2O, water molecule. So main product is carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Okay. So first property halogenation, second one nitration. So ethane formula CH3 bond CH3 plus nitric acid HNO3 at 400 to 450 degrees Celsius temperature. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH, byproduct is water, remaining CH3, CH2, NO2, compound name is nitro, 2 carbon atoms, each single bond name, nitroethane. Next one, pyrolysis, same ethane formula CH3 bond CH3 at 450 degrees Celsius temperature, very simple, H2, hydrogen molecule, remaining CH2 double bond CH2, one of the alkane, that is ethylene. Next, oxidation of alkanes. For example, ethane, but 2 moles of ethane CH3 bond CH3, 3 moles of oxygen molecule. In the presence of oxidizing agent, that is manganese acetate, CH3 C double bond O taken twice Mn. Then ethane directly converted into acetic acid. CH3 C double bond OH, and byproduct is water. Next one, fifth one. So next fifth one, that is fifth one, aromatization. That means formation of aromatic compound like benzene. Okay. Next heading, aromatization. Aromatization means formation of aromatic compound like benzene, that is C6H6. First of all, hexane or hexane. Generally, hexane formula CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms X and single bond N. So compound name is hexane and normal chain, so nhexane. No problem, hexane or nhexane. So in the presence of very important, first condition 10 to 20 atm pressure, 10 to 20 atm pressure. Second one, 500 degrees Celsius temperature, 500 degrees Celsius temperature. And third one is catalyst. For example, V2O5 or Cr2O3, 4 conditions. 10 to 20 atm pressure, 500 degrees Celsius temperature, and catalyst V2O5 or Cr2O3, V2O5 or Cr2O3, V2O5 vanadium pentaoxide. Then an hexane directly converted into benzene. Benzene formula C6H6. So aromatic compound, that is benzene, aromatization. That means formation of aromatic compound like benzene. First of all, an hexane CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, 10 to 20 atm pressure, 500 degrees Celsius temperature, V2O5 vanadium pentoxide or Cr2O3 catalyst. Then hexane directly converted into benzene formula C6H6. So this is aromatization, that means formation of aromatic compound. And last one, final property, isomerization. Isomerization, that means formation of isomers. For example, same an hexane formula CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms X and single bond N hexane, but normal chain, so N hexane. In the presence of N-hydrous KLCl3, N-hydrous KLCl3 aluminum chloride by dry HCl, dry hydrochloric acid. Okay, so first of all, hexane formula CH3, CH2. In the presence of N-hydrous KLCl3 aluminum chloride or dry HCl, dry hydrochloric acid. Then an hexane converted into first compound, very simple, CH3 bond CH bond CH3 CH2 right CH3. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 methyl and remaining 5 carbon atoms pent, single bond N, 2 methyl pentane. Second one, same, for example, same CH3 bond, okay, CH2 bond, right, CH bond CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. Methyl position is third position, so compound name is 3 methyl pentane. 3 methyl pentane. First one is 2 methyl pentane and second one is 3 methyl pentane. So these are chain isomers. So heading is isomerization, that means formation of isomers. For example, chain isomers, that is 2 methyl pentane and 3 methyl pentane. Okay. So aromatization. So an hexane formula, okay, and 10 to 20 atm pressure, 500 degrees Celsius temperature, 500 degrees Celsius temperature, atm pressure, 500 degrees Celsius temperature, V2O5 catalyst and Cr2O3, then benzene. Next one, isomerization, formation of isomers. So an hexane, N-hydrous AlCl3 dry HCl. So first one 2 methyl, 1, 2. So 2 methyl, 5 carbon atoms pent, single bond N. Next 1, 2, 3 methyl, 5 carbon atoms pent and single bond N, 3 methyl pentane. So these are chain isomers. So alkanes completed. Preparation methods of alkanes, different types of methods, and properties of alkanes, that is chemical properties of alkanes: halogenation, nitration, pyrolysis, oxidation, aromatization, isomerization. Aromatization means formation of aromatic compound like benzene. Isomerization means formation of isomers. For example, chain isomers, that is 2 methyl pentane and 3 methyl pentane. So these alkanes. Okay.